Hi, and welcome again to another video. For this video, we are going to explore the search features of Altium Develop, specifically within the web viewer. We are currently looking at the schematic of the ESP32S3 Mini with USB-C that we created here in Altium Develop. If you look at the upper part, you can see the search bar. The great thing about this is that if you have a QA engineer or a design checker on your team, they don't even need the Altium software itself installed. They can review everything right here within the Altium Develop workspace. This search bar is Altium Develop is incredibly powerful. First, let's open their syntax documentation. Just click here. It will open in a new tab. This is where we can see examples of use cases and queries that we can use for searching. Let's head back to our schematic and try searching for some components. For example, let's search based on component designator. Let's type R14 and just press enter. As you can see, it popped up right away and highlighted itself on the schematic. On the left side, we can view its value, the footprint linked to it, and its precise location. We can see here that this is R145K1 is a fixed resistor along with its specific details. We can even see which part of the PCB it is located on. It's placed on the top layer, as well as the package style used for it. It even showed reference for where it can be found or where it can be purchased. And going back to our previous video, since the layout isn't completely finished yet, its corresponding DRC or design rule check reports can be viewed right here as well. Now let's try searching based on the component value instead. For example, let's try searching for 5100 ohms or 5.1k ohms and then hit enter. As you can see, every component on the schematic with matching values gets highlighted. Based on our search, those are R11, R12, R14, and R15. They all share the same 5100 ohm value. When you click on each individual component from the list, the highlight automatically jumps to its specific location on the schematic. You can also view it on the PCB side. If we click over to the PCB tab, it highlights them as well. But let's head back to the schematic for now. The beauty of this feature is that if you don't happen to know the exact designator but are more familiar with your circuit's component values, finding what you need is much easier. If you are looking for a specific value in your design, you just type it in here, and you'll immediately see all the similar objects related to the value you searched for. Let's try searching based on the net labels or their net connections. Let's go back up here at the search bar. We'll try searching for a net label or connection. Notice that as we type, it actually provides suggestions that currently exist within our schematic. For example, I just type FTD and it immediately shows up suggestion for net data that exists in the schematic. Let's click on this one, FTDI USBP. It highlights the net right here on our schematic. As you can see in its detail panel, it displays the net name and the routed length. Since we haven't finished routing the layout yet, it's still showing as 0. It also shows which layer it's on, along with any DRC reports regarding this specific net. That is the beauty of the search functionality here in Altium Develop. It is incredibly powerful. Even if you don't memorize the complete net name, it instantly provides drop-down suggestions of what actually exists in your schematic.